foreigners and colours, you know. Are you English? No, I ain't English. Are you English? No, of course you ain't. No one is fucking English. Why don't you sort out your own land before you come to my country and fuck it all up? But my Britain now is fuck all. I mean, fuck all. Britain is now fuck all.
Excuse me, sir. Would you mind watching your language, please?
Oh, fuck off.
Your voice down,
oh, fuck you.
And you. Someone needs to throw you off
Really?
the tram.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
I fucking dare you. I dare you. I
Can you just
fucking
watch
dare
your
you.
language, please?
Watch my language. What about all these Neptunians and Uranians fucking here?
Calm down, calm down, calm down. If it wasn't for us, we would not do the job that you do.
Right,
you do not do those jobs.
Shut up, square.
He's right. We do the jobs that you don't want to do.
Oh.
Why don't you get a job?
I've got a job. I've worked. This is my Britain.
Oh, whatever.
Yeah, well, are you English? Where are you from?
Yes, I'm
Are you
British.
English?
I'm British.
You're not British, you're
Yes,
green.
I am. So
You're
what
not
if I'm
British, you're green.
So what if I'm green?
Look, Charlie,
Where are you from?
Wait, now you're waking up my baby, yeah? So you want to keep your
Where's she
mouth shut?
from, though?
It doesn't matter, you're waking up I'm a human being. What you got to say to me? Nothing,
Thank you.
that's what.
Oh, well, someone, one of the
Calm
liberals,
down.
someone has to
Calm
jump in
down.
and stick
No.
up for these people,
Yeah,
don't
it's
they?
not
But
cool.
where's the
It
humans?
doesn't
Where's the
matter. It doesn't
aliens?
matter.